If your case is pending with USCIS, but you receive a notice to appear in immigration court, that means you're in deportation proceedings. A notice to appear is something that can also come after your USCIS case is denied. But basically being put in deportation proceedings means that the government is alleging that you are not allowed to be in the United States and that you are deportable. Now, we are seeing a big increase in these for people with pending cases as well as cases that have been denied. And for those with pending cases, the reason why you can be put in deportation proceedings is because if you are out of status while that case is pending, USCIS can still refer your case to immigration court. In a lot of cases, simply having a pending case before USCIS doesn't mean that you have lawful status. In other words, being out of status simply means you no longer have a valid underlying visa status, even if you're actively seeking an immigration benefit. Something else we're seeing, people who were denied cases years ago are suddenly now receiving notices to appear in immigration court. It appears that USCIS officers are reviewing prior denials before them and issuing notices to appear in immigration court where they believe someone is removable. Now, the most important thing to know is that an NTA does not mean that you will be deported. It just means that you now have to go in front of an immigration judge. And in many cases, there may be options for relief from removal. Some options could be adjustment of status or cancellation of removal, or asylum, waivers, or any other defenses that might be available based on your history. But one thing you cannot do is ignore that notice. If you ignore that notice and miss your court date, a judge can order you removed in your absence. And that means if ICE encounters you, you have a lot less of a chance to fight your case. So if you get that notice to appear in immigration court, definitely speak with an experienced immigration attorney and follow us for more immigration news and information.